the world-known Andaman and Nicobar Island for the cellular jail based in the present capital called Portblair. For the people known about the indigenous people of the island known as Jaora and Sentineli that still live nude and told complete different lifestyle. In simple words, they don't know it and they don't come to the connect of the island. The government has placed restrictions to visit their territory. Therefore, we had no chance to see and of such tribes. But we could experience the cellular jail that British colonial master used to imprison Indians' rights here in excil.
Domestic airport. It's actually international and domestic is clustered. I'm heading to Portblair. I reach before time. I don't have cycle now. I'll get a cycle there inside. Savarkar International Airport. I just arrived here. I'll have to find out a cycle now. Cycle on rent in the market, which is little far away. National flag flying high, and this is a statue of Veer Savarkar. Veer Savarkar. I could not find cycle on rent in late Hayat Singh, chief engineer. That's his house. Okay, I could not find a cycle shop or cycle even on rent. So I have to travel by bus. I think. Yes, auto color is yellow and black, mostly black, and two stripes of yellow color. See you soon. In front of the cellular jail, these are golden statues who were probably freedom fighter. So here we have Moitra. Then we have Mohan Kishore Namdas, and we have Mahavir Singh. Then we have Pandit Ram Rakha Bali, Baba Bhan Singh, Indra Bhushan Rai. These are the popular, and Veer Savarkar, upon whose name this airport is dedicated, and he was also jailed. Okay, you must be knowing cellular jail is the one when the British used to keep their criminals here as an exile. This is cellular jail. I'll show you from the front side. Front of the cellular. Swatantrata Yod, which keeps lightning the whole day and night in the precinct of cellular jail. There are one more. These are the series of cellular jail next to the museum. Museum was probably official area before. In the evening they host historical musical extravaganza here in the Gallop Point. Gallop Point is for sending them to the gallows uh, to hang to till death. Okay, these are the series of cellular jail, long enough. So many cells and dangerous, compact ones. In the museum, cellular jail other side, and now later I think modern ones, chair provision for relaxing, and there's a clock tower at the corner. This is the pattern of the buildings probably, right? The structure. How many rows are there? Three, 6 rows. 7, 7, yeah. 7 rows. 3-storied. Block 6. Says more row. The second floor of one of the jail, and here you can see outside people visiting the place. The second floor. The vast ocean of Andaman Nicobar at Portblair from the cellular jail area. Okay, I'll show you the ocean once more. Lovely view, but terrible, painful past. British who ruled India for more than 200 years gave the pain, made the people suffer, and exploited us, exploited our generation. Present residences are beautiful, aesthetically designed. You can see ocean beyond the building. The vast in the compound of the cellular jail that's in Portblair, Andaman Nicobar Island. In the Portblair Stadium, beautiful one, well decorated, well maintained, well structured. Football game is in progress. Kids are playing. It's fun, and you can see the ocean far away. And here we've got a canteen, good facilities of sitting and entertaining, and eateries. Local bus moving. Watchtower at the corner you see, it's actually in the roundabout. This is Portblair Market Town. It's called Aberdeen Bazaar, Portblair. Pin code is 744101. I just came out to stroll around. There are a variety of things there. They have garments, vegetables, Some shops are specialized in many things. You get everything, whatever you want, from your kitchen item to your wardrobe and things like that. Namaskar. Small interior town in the island, Andaman Nicobar. It's far away from the main part, something like 30 kilometer away. This is evening time. I got a room where I'll stay the night. After that, I thought of going for a stroll to enjoy the dusk with the light and gating. Yes. Vehicles are moving, and the weather is pleasant, and it's gonna be little warm because it was something like 30 degrees Celsius in the daytime. Now it is about 27 of the chart. I mean, neither very hot nor very cold. Okay, and lovely everything. I'll see you tomorrow. Narayan Sharma from Andaman Nicobar Island.
My mentor went to Portblair by flight sponsored by one gentleman named Joseph from America. Hence, he could not ride cycle here as there's no rental of bicycles in the town. However, he managed to visit the cellular jail on foot beside other city life. We shall be happy if you comment on this matter.